Solar sail can be used to reach Mars in 26 days. What scientists say. Welcome to the Space Diary channel. Before watching, I want to ask you to help our channel by liking and subscribing. The use of solar sails will allow to reduce the travel time to the red planet by 7 times, which can now take 7 months. A group of scientists has presented a new study on the arXiv preprint server, which says that the use of airbrushed solar sails for traveling to Mars and interstellar space can significantly reduce the time of flight in space, writes Universe Today. Unlike conventional space rockets, which use chemical propellants to generate thrust and thus move through space, solar sails do not require fuel. They use the light of the sun to generate energy, and the longer a sail stays in space, the more energy it receives, and thus the speed of the spacecraft attached to them can increase. With the help of current space rockets, Mars can be reached in about 7 to 9 months, but such a flight can only be made when Mars is closest to Earth, and at the same time, the two planets must be aligned with each other. The authors of the study believe that solar sails can be used to deliver valuable shipments to Mars much faster. And not only to Mars, but to other parts of the solar system. The same goes for research vehicles that will use this technology to move quickly in space. As part of the study, scientists have created a simulation of how a vehicle with a solar sail made of airbrush weighing up to 1 kilokilos and measuring 104 square meters can reach Mars. To do this, the model used 2 flight paths from Earth, the method of direct external movement and the method of internal movement. The method of direct external transportation to Mars is to deploy and fly a solar sail to cross directly from the polar orbit around the Earth. The method of internal transportation means that the solar sail must be delivered to a distance of approximately 89 million km from the Sun using conventional rockets, where it will deploy and begin its flight to Mars. If the first method of flying to Mars is chosen, then the journey to the red planet will take only 26 days. The second method will make it possible to reach Mars in 126 days, with 103 days spent by the solar sail vehicle only on the flight to the deployment site. Scientists explain the fast flight speed by the main component of the solar sail, airbrush. It has a much lower density than other materials for solar sails, such as mylar. In this case, the thrust generated by sunlight will be much higher, making it possible to cover a huge distance to Mars in almost a month. At the same time, scientists point out that the problem of solar sail breaking after arrival to Mars still needs to be solved. Was this video interesting for you? Please share your opinion in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow for more interesting videos.